The bounty of organic. Why grow your own vegetables? Organic gardening, a dance with nature, offers a bounty of rewards. Fresh, flavorful vegetables grace your table, bursting with vitality. You control what goes into your food, avoiding harmful chemicals. Gardening provides exercise and a connection to the earth, nourishing body and soul. Imagine sinking your teeth into a sun-warmed tomato, its sweetness unmatched by store-bought produce. The crisp lettuce, the earthy carrots, the vibrant zucchini, all grown with your own hands. This is the magic of organic gardening, a journey of connection and satisfaction. Beyond the delicious harvest, organic gardening nurtures a healthy ecosystem. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings patrol your garden, keeping pests in check. Earthworms, nature's tillers, aerate the soil, improving drainage and nutrient availability. Every creature plays a role in this vibrant tapestry of life. Organic gardening is a conversation with nature, a give and take that yields a bounty of health and happiness. It is a return to a simpler way of life, where food is not just sustenance, but a celebration of the earth's abundance. Poultry Power, an age-old fertilizer. Poultry manure, a time-tested fertilizer, offers a potent blend of nutrients essential for plant growth. Nitrogen fuels leafy green growth, phosphorus supports root development and flowering, and potassium enhances overall plant health. This natural elixir, rich in organic matter, improves soil structure, promoting drainage and aeration. Layer manure from egg-laying hens is particularly prized for its nutrient content. High in nitrogen, it provides a quick boost to leafy vegetables. However, its potency requires careful handling. Fresh manure can burn plants, so composting is crucial. This process transforms raw manure into a safe, nutrient-rich soil amendment. Composting poultry manure is a simple process. Mix manure with carbon-rich materials like straw or leaves, ensuring adequate moisture and aeration. Regular turning accelerates decomposition, breaking down the manure into a dark, crumbly compost. This black gold is ready to nourish your garden, boosting plant growth and vitality. Poultry manure, a gift from our feathered friends, offers a sustainable and effective way to fertilize your garden. Its potent blend of nutrients, combined with its ability to improve soil structure, makes it an invaluable tool for the organic gardener. Preparing the ground-first steps for your garden. Choosing the right location is crucial for a thriving garden. Vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Select a spot with well-drained soil, avoiding areas prone to waterlogging. Clear the area of weeds and debris, creating a clean slate for your garden. Soil testing provides valuable information about your garden's fertility. Knowing your soil's pH and nutrient levels allows you to make necessary amendments. Most vegetables prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH around 6.5. Amendments like lime can raise pH while sulfur can lower it. Once your soil is tested and amended, it's time to prepare the beds. Double digging, a traditional technique, loosens the soil to a depth of 2 spades, improving drainage and root penetration. Alternatively, raised beds offer good drainage and ease of access. Whichever method you choose, the goal is to create a fertile and welcoming environment for your plants. Preparing the ground is the foundation of a successful garden. By carefully selecting your site, understanding your soil and creating well-structured beds, you set the stage for a bountiful harvest. Planting for success. How to sow seeds and seedlings. Starting your garden can be done in 2 ways. Sowing seeds directly into the ground or transplanting seedlings. Direct sowing is suitable for hardy vegetables like beans, squash, and cucumbers. Seedlings started indoors or purchased from a nursery are ideal for more delicate plants like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant. Spacing is crucial for healthy plant growth. Overcrowding leads to competition for resources, resulting in stunted plants and reduced yields. Refer to seed packets or plant tags for recommended spacing guidelines. Thinning seedlings, if necessary, ensures adequate space for each plant to thrive. Watering newly planted seeds and seedlings is essential for establishment. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. A gentle watering can or soaker hose provides a gentle flow of water, avoiding disturbance to delicate roots. As plants mature, their watering needs will change, requiring deeper but less frequent watering. Planting with care ensures your garden gets off to a good start. Whether sowing seeds directly or transplanting seedlings, attention to spacing and watering sets the stage for healthy plant development and a bountiful harvest. Section 5. The gift of manure, enriching your garden. Poultry manure, composted to perfection, is a gardener's treasure. This nutrient-rich amendment revitalizes the soil, providing essential elements for plant growth. Incorporating composted manure into your garden beds enhances soil fertility and structure, creating an ideal environment for thriving plants. Timing is key when applying manure. For established plants, side dressing is a gentle approach. Just sprinkle a thin layer of compost around the base of each plant, avoiding direct contact with the stem. This method delivers nutrients directly to the root zone, promoting vigorous growth. For new plantings, mix composted manure into the soil before sowing seeds or transplanting seedlings. This ensures a nutrient-rich foundation for young plants to establish themselves. Remember, moderation is key. Over-fertilizing can be detrimental, leading to excessive leafy growth at the expense of fruit production. Composted poultry manure, used judiciously, is a gift that keeps on giving. It nourishes your garden, strengthens your plants, and ultimately rewards you with a bountiful harvest. Section 6. Watering wisdom. Giving your plants what they need. Watering is the lifeblood of your garden, but too much or too little can spell disaster. Observe your plants closely, looking for signs of thirst. Wilting leaves, especially in the heat of the day, indicate a need for water. Soil that feels dry to the touch confirms the need for irrigation. Consistency is key to healthy plant growth. Irrigate deeply and infrequently, encouraging roots to grow deep in search of moisture. Shallow, frequent watering promotes shallow root development, making plants more susceptible to drought stress. A soaker hose or drip irrigation system delivers water directly to the root zone, minimizing evaporation and maximizing efficiency. Mulching plays a vital role in water conservation. A layer of organic mulch, like straw or wood chips, helps retain soil moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Mulch also suppresses weeds, moderates soil temperature, and adds organic matter to the soil as it decomposes. Watering wisely is about understanding your plant's needs and providing them with the right amount of moisture. By observing, being consistent, and utilizing mulch, you can ensure your garden thrives, even during dry spells. Section 7. Weed control, keeping your garden clean. Weeds, unwelcome guests in our gardens, compete with our vegetables for resources. They steal sunlight, water, and nutrients, hindering plant growth and reducing yields. Controlling weeds is essential for a healthy and productive garden. Hand weeding, though labor-intensive, is an effective method for small gardens. Regular weeding, especially when weeds are young, prevents them from establishing a foothold. Mulching plays a significant role in weed suppression, creating a barrier that inhibits weed seed germination. Cultivation, using a hoe or cultivator, disrupts weed growth by severing their roots from the soil. This method is particularly effective for annual weeds which reproduce by seed. However, cultivation can also disturb the soil, potentially bringing weed seeds to the surface, so it's best used sparingly. Controlling weeds requires vigilance and a multi-pronged approach. By combining hand weeding, mulching, and judicious cultivation, you can keep your garden clean, allowing your vegetables to flourish. Section 8. Harvesting happiness, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Harvesting, the culmination of your gardening efforts, brings immense satisfaction. Picking vegetables at their peak ripeness ensures optimal flavor and nutritional value. Knowing when to harvest each vegetable is key to maximizing your garden's bounty. Tomatoes, plump and red, are ready when they easily detach from the vine. Zucchini, firm and glossy, are best harvested when young and tender. Lettuce, crisp and vibrant, can be harvested leaf by leaf or as whole heads. Each vegetable has its own telltale signs of ripeness, a language waiting to be learned. Harvesting in the cool of the morning, before the sun's intensity peaks, helps preserve the freshness and flavor of your produce. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cleanly remove vegetables from the plant, minimizing damage and extending their shelf life. Harvesting is a celebration of nature's abundance, a reward for your dedication and care. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, savoring the freshness and flavor of your homegrown vegetables. Section 9. A garden's journey. Continual care for lasting rewards. Organic gardening is not a one-time effort, but a continuous journey of nurturing and observation. Even after harvesting your bounty, your garden requires ongoing care to maintain its health and productivity. Soil replenishment is crucial for sustained fertility. Amend your beds with compost or aged manure after each harvest, restoring vital nutrients depleted by plant growth. Cover crops like clover or rye, planted during the off-season, protect the soil, add organic matter, and prevent erosion. Pest and disease management are ongoing challenges in any garden. Encouraging beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings helps control pest populations naturally. Crop rotation, changing the location of vegetable families each year, disrupts pest and disease cycles, promoting overall garden health. Organic gardening is a journey of continual learning and adaptation. By observing your garden, replenishing the soil, and managing pests and diseases, you create a sustainable ecosystem that rewards you with a bounty of fresh, flavorful vegetables year after year.